In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to your Canva website, just like this one. So we'll get started by removing this old button, and then I'm going to click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. And then over here, scroll down until you see Browse Categories, and then click on Buttons. You can also click on Shapes, because any shape can be made of a button. But I'm gonna just click on Buttons here. And over here, they're going to show you a bunch of shapes, rectangular shapes, which you can use. I'm going to use this one, which is the thinner version of this. So you can use any one you want. I'm going to just center it. And you can now resize it and play around with it for the scaling. And now I'm going to just enter some text for this button. So let's type in learn and fix on YouTube. Now obviously the color is off, so I'm gonna make it whatever color fits. You can also choose to do that, and I'm gonna change the color of the text as well. So let's click on the button and then text color, and I'm gonna make it fully white. I'm also gonna make it bold, and I'm gonna change the font to Poppins. And that's it. So to make this button functional, you have to give it a link so that when a person clicks on it, it'll take them somewhere. So to add a link to this button, just click on the button and then click on the three dots saying more, or you can right click it and then click on link. I'm gonna make this button link to the YouTube channel, so I'm gonna just type in youtube.com/@learnandfix, and then click on done, and then done. And that's it. So now this button should be functional if you click on preview, and then let's go to that page, and this is the button. So let's click on it, and there we go. It takes us right to our YouTube channel. And that's how you can do this in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.